And the race is on. Dico Akalain from the outside is Reyes, Angel, Sweet Lord Key, moving up by Daryl, and Poppy's Diamond. It's now number 3, Perfectionist, Reyes, Angel, Poppy's Diamond, Sweet Lord Key is racing in fourth by Daryl. Rushing up is 5, Gabby's Choice. 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. It's Poppy's Diamond, Erica's Champ, Perfectionist. Gabby's Choice, runner 5A, Reyes Angel is racing on the outside. Tempress with Lorky Dico, Akalain Alas Stats. Erica's Champ 5A, Reyes Angel is moving up on the outside. Perfectionist, number 10, Poppy's Diamond. Dico Akalain, Sincerely Devil as they race the last 250. 5A, Reyes Angel by about 5 lengths. Dico Akalain second, Perfectionist, Erica's Jump, Gabby's Choice, Sincerely Devil, Sweet Lord Key, and in the finish line 5A, Reyes Angel with Ayi Tansyoko. Dico Akalain 5, Gabby's Choice, Sincerely Devil, Sweet Lord Key, close, Erica's Jump, Perfectionist.